Hey, welcome. My name's Joe Hart. I have invented a new drink, I think. I've Googled it and haven't been able to find anything like this. Definitely the hardest part of it was naming it. So after a lot of different tries on names, again, Googling and finding that that drink already existed, I came up with one to celebrate Norwood's 150th birthday, 150th anniversary. So this drink is called the Norwood Night, and we're going to start with what we need. And since it's really simple, you want to have really good quality ingredients. Okay, so we have root beer, we have ginger beer, both non-alcoholic, and we have some nice quality maraschino cherries. And I'm going to do this like by actual proportions and everything. Then once you get sort of a feel for it, you can just eyeball the proportions or adjust as you'd like. And if you wanted to make this alcoholic, then you can add 2 ounces of rum, either a light rum or a spiced rum. I don't know if you just heard that. I got a new countertop ice machine for Father's Day from my kids. So anyway, what we're going to do is I'm going to go with the measurements here. So kind of turn this on. See, that was the ice machine. I have this nice heavy glass that we got for our wedding shower or bridal shower, something my wife got, I don't know. So anyway, I'm going to go with ounces, and I'm going to tare that. Okay, so we have 0 ounces. Now, we're going to go with the ice. I have this nice little scoop, and I don't know if you can see, it makes like little ice bullets. So, adding some ice. Tare that. Somehow. There we go. Okay, so the cherries. So, 1 cherry and a little splash of the juice. So, set that aside. Then we have the ginger beer. Okay. Oh, and I almost forgot, we're going to tare that somehow. There we go. Okay, and we're going to go with 4 ounces of ginger beer. In a pinch, you could use ginger ale. So 4 ounces. And you know, nobody's going to know. Nobody's going to notice if it's slightly off or whatever. I actually have 4.2 ounces. So tare that again. And now 8 ounces of root beer. And again, use a good quality. So I tared it off. So 8 ounces. 8 ounces, and you can definitely give it a quick little stir with that, and there we are, the Norwood Night, and let me tell you, it's delicious.